So what you would do is if you're going like this, then back behind, extend all the way around, back behind, extend all the way around, back behind, zook and boom, zook and boom. There it is. Try and do a couple of them in a row where you do extension, behind, extension, behind, extension, behind. But don't necessarily, oh, sorry, you might not be able to see me, I might be too close. So extension and behind, extension, behind, extension, behind, extension, behind. So then the next step would be adding the 360. If we did just the arms, you would come down through here, and as you get to the bottom, you start turning so that you can come up and over and back around into the pinwheel. So you extend, then start turning, turn, 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 extension, turn, come back up to the pinwheel. So turn all the way around and back behind. So then with the poi, turn all the way around, back behind. Turn all the way around, back behind. So if we're doing the split time version, if you think about your pinwheel as you're executing it, your left hand leads the pinwheel. And what you can do is you can start by, as the left one is coming to the front, trying to extend it. Even if you just extend it a little bit like this, rather than the big extension. And then as you start getting more comfortable with, okay, extension and then back behind, and extension and back behind, then you can start trying to get it in split time where it's left, then right, then back behind, left, right, back behind. But you can also just do the hands. I don't think the hands are easier. I think having the momentum of poi pulling your arms does help, but that's subjective. Once you're comfortable with that, okay, I'm mirroring you now. Once you can do it continuously like this, where it's extension, back behind, extension, back behind, then you can try the 360 where you basically keep the airplane arms as you go around the circle, and then you come through the 360 back up.